let's look at how to find your feedback on your assignments so that you can use that feedback to improve your writing for future assignments. You don't want to keep making the same mistakes over and over again. And if you lose points, you want to know why. So scroll down to My Grades. It's at the bottom of all your modules. I need to be in Student View. So at the bottom of all the modules, under Blackboard Collaborate, My Grades. Then when you see a speech bubble, you know there's a general comment. Sometimes I put a lot of comments in there, but for something like a presentation that has several slides, generally I will put the feedback for each slide so you know exactly what's going on with each one. And of course that general comment said to view the rubric to see where you may have lost points. So view the rubric by clicking View Rubric, and then you can see what percentage of points go with each slide in this case, but it might just be a component of an essay. I will have rubrics, so you can see the feedback for each slide here. And if you see something like this that's a video link, this one or this one, you can hit copy, highlight it, hit copy, reduce that by hitting that little bar, open a new tab, Control V will get you to paste in the address bar, and then you can see what video I'm referring you to. So that's it. Your scores are always in My Grades. Also check announcements regularly. Clicking on announcements is super helpful, super important. I will post this very video in announcements for you so that you can see what's going on. And let me know if you have any questions. Here's a copy of the very rubric I just went over. It is in announcements. You have to scroll down. I encourage you to keep scrolling down, read all announcements. You may have missed something from a previous week, and that may be an answer to a question you have. All right, email me if you have questions, but first look at announcements so that your answer can come more quickly than having to wait for me to email